The Honda Civic recreational vehicle is highly regarded for its spacious cabin, offering generous legroom and headroom. This design ensures that older drivers can embark on long journeys with increased comfort, complemented by elevated seating that enhances visibility. Safety features remain a focal point for these SUVs, exemplified by models like Honda and Toyota, which are equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. These innovations significantly improve road awareness and enhance overall safety, particularly for older drivers. Transitioning to the Toyota Corolla Cross, its user-friendly design shines through with straightforward controls and high visibility. This appeal is particularly strong among older drivers who value ease of accessibility in their vehicle. Additionally, the Toyota Corolla Cross is lauded for its comfort, safety, and practicality, making it a prime choice for stress-free driving experiences. Its reliability is reinforced by Toyota's esteemed reputation in the automotive industry. Shifting focus to the Subaru Crosstrek, it excels in all-weather capability and fuel efficiency, making it equally adept for urban commutes and rural ventures. Its ergonomic design, paired with advanced safety features, significantly enhances the overall driving experience. Meanwhile, the Kia Sportage Hybrid distinguishes itself with exceptional fuel efficiency and cutting-edge technology, ensuring a comfortable ride bolstered by extensive driver assistance features. This seamless driving experience particularly appeals to those who prioritize comfort. The Mazda compact crossover 50 impresses with its spacious interior, tailored for senior drivers, featuring a high seat height and wide door openings that facilitate easier access. This thoughtful design enhances both comfort and usability. Under the hood, the vehicle boasts a robust 2.5L engine, with options for turbocharging and hybrid efficiency, catering to various driving preferences. Its fuel economy further solidifies its reputation as an excellent option for long-distance travel. In terms of safety, the Mazda compact crossover 50 incorporates advanced systems such as automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping assistance. These features collectively ensure a secure driving experience, fostering confidence behind the wheel. The Subaru Forester stands out for its expansive windows, which provide drivers with excellent visibility, effectively reducing blind spots. This thoughtful design element promotes safety and instills confidence, particularly for older drivers. Moreover, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system delivers unmatched stability and control under various weather conditions, making it particularly advantageous for seniors living in regions with unpredictable climates. In terms of safety, features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warnings further enhance the Forester's appeal. These technologies assist drivers in accident prevention, ensuring a safer driving experience. The Lexus RX incorporates advanced driver assistance technologies, enhancing safety through features such as blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. These systems are meticulously designed to simplify the overall driving experience. The Mazda CX-70 prioritizes simplicity, featuring intuitive controls that facilitate easy access to climate and infotainment settings. This user-friendly design caters particularly well to senior drivers. Meanwhile, the Toyota Highlander boasts an ergonomic design with wide doors and spacious interiors, making entry and exit a hassle-free process for seniors. Comfort is clearly prioritized for enjoyable long drives. The Highlander's dashboard layout includes physical buttons and knobs, simplifying access to essential controls, which appeals to seniors preferring straightforward navigation. With choices for both gasoline and hybrid engines, the Highlander delivers smooth performance alongside fuel efficiency, catering to those seeking to optimize their driving experience. Additionally, safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure alerts, and adaptive cruise control enhance the Highlander's appeal, providing peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. The RAV4 excels with its spacious interior, offering ample leg and headroom that enhances comfort during extended journeys. This quality is essential for an enjoyable driving experience. Supported by a range of performance options, including traditional gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid engines, drivers can tailor their choice based on preferences for power or fuel efficiency. Finally, safety features like automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control contribute to a secure driving experience, solidifying the RAV4 as a reliable option for all drivers.